Good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, June the 9th, 2023, 7:30 something in the morning. And the water is beautiful. It is perfect out here today. Alrighty, praise the Lord, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, or whatever time of day, minute, hour, second that you're watching this. Welcome to the SMB channel. We're out here at North Myrtle Beach this morning. Beautiful day, and it's just going to get even more beautiful. We're getting ready to leave the hotel to go eat breakfast with Madison and her family. And then Madison and I are going to hang out at Myrtle Beach, where they're at, on the beach today, all day, probably up till probably the late in the afternoon. And then we are going to Family Kingdom to ride the roller coasters, the rides that we showed in the last video. And I think there was something else we were going to do. Not specifically sure just yet, but we're just going to kind of go with the flow today. But it's supposed to be the prettiest day today out of all the days that we're going to be here, even the days they're going to be here. And I'm really looking forward to it. Alrighty, folks, it's about 8:45 in the morning, already 71 degrees already. And we are made it to our destination for the first stop of today, Mammy'S Kitchen. We're going to meet them for breakfast. They recommended this place. So we're going to give a shot. Over there's Mr. Sub. You doing all right this morning, Mommy?
I'm doing well.
Very good. Got turn Melissa behind us. It's not crowded down here this morning. It's actually very nice. I can't remember what they said about this place, if it was a buffet or something. I can't remember what they said. I think it was a buffet. Not sure. It looks like we're going to pull in right here. See if we can get in with this car, hopefully. They got a lot of parking room.
Oh wow, that's a lot of Virginia cars.
There is a lot of Virginia cars. I am actually blown away of how many we have here, but we'll park right beside these cones. See how good I park. Let's see. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Tell Melissa. God bless them. Mammy's Kitchen. So we're going to just sit out here for a minute, wait on them to get ready whenever they're ready to meet up. And maybe we can walk over. Well, I don't know. We probably can't. The first one, no, that's just right there. That's how close we are to that. Which me and Madison's going to do that today. Either today or tomorrow. But I think our goal is to try to do it today. I just know we're going to try to focus on the ocean today. It's our main focus. So we're excited about that. Enjoy it. It's supposed to be, out of all the days, even the days that Madison and them are supposed to be here, this is supposed to be the prettiest day. So we're excited that we can be part of it. Good morning, baby. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing a lot better. We're at, well, I thought those were balls when I were little. Alrighty, so we are at Mammy's Kitchen. Gonna get a buffet. You're gonna get a watermelon. I'm shocked, Mom. It's okay. I was about to say. Looks pretty good. The what? Strawberries. Those are huge. Holy cow! Look at that one right there. That is humongous. Oranges, cantaloupe. I don't know what that is. Maybe another type of cantaloupe. Grapefruit, I believe, right here. Cinnamon rolls, sausage, bacon. Bacon looks really good. Hash browns. Oh, they got the hash browns I like. Nice. The shredded down there. I think I want to try cinnamon roll. Looks like eggs.
Eggs? Yeah, eggs.
Hey, Mom. You think that's the cinnamon roll?
No, they're probably pecan rolls.
Oh, no, never mind it.
Yeah.
Oh, why? Gonna get some bacon.
Thank you.
Look at this bacon.
How much?
I don't know. Just want to share off my plate because I probably won't eat it all.
Yeah.
Just share off
You
my
want
plate.
sausage?
No. You want bacon? Oh. I'll try one for you though, but I really don't think I would like it. Wow. Here's an overview of what we got. So I got crispy bacon, pancakes, home fries, hash browns. Seems like I got one more thing, but I can't remember.
Potatoes.
Potatoes, yes. And then you got eggs and sausage. What? And then home fries and hash browns. Mom got her some French toast biscuits, and Jamie got him a meat fillet, and she's already eating. She's happy. Alrighty.
She's at Mammy'S.
She's at Mammy'S.
Yeah,
that's
one
fun.
day. That's the name you want? Hey, that's how
Look how big of a strawberry that is. Look how they're bigger than your head. Alright, so we are at the red lights. We are heading to Broadway.
At the beach.
Oh, that was
That's
so
what it
perfect. Yeah. Over there, Broadway at the beach. We're going to go check it out. They got a lighthouse there. We love lighthouses.
I think it's on this.
It's on the other side.
Well, I think it's at this. I think it's like 2 different Broadways, maybe. I'm not 100% sure.
The destination is on your right.
We always
Broadway at the beach.
I got you. Looks pretty cool. We're going to hang out here for a little bit, then I think we're going to go back to the beach and hang out at the ocean. And then I think we're going to do the Family Kingdom later this evening. Wow. Very cool. So looks like a little shopping center too. There's like a walk around, ain't it? That's where the lighthouse is, I believe. Yeah. They got rack room shoes. Amazing. It looks like the island. Man, there. Mom made this point yesterday. She's like, was Pigeon Forge copying Myrtle Beach, or was Myrtle Beach copying Pigeon Forge? Think about it for a while. Because they look all identical, don't they?
Yeah. I have no idea.
There's that they're building too. Oh, there's the lighthouse. Oh, look how beautiful. Yes. Love
Where's the big gorilla?
the big gorilla.
These ones are-
Oh, that's what we saw last night.
I don't remember where it's at.
And the fire hydrant must be leaking or something. Come fix the water line. Look at the penguins. Welcome us here. Now, we've been to the aquarium. This is Ripley's Aquarium at Myrtle Beach. Now, we've been to the one in Gatlinburg and not the one in Myrtle. I wondered, I'm sure that there's a big difference because they actually got legit salt water here. We're going to walk around. We're going to see how much. Yeah, that's brand new here at this one that they don't have.
There's a bee.
Apparently he likes us or something. They got a sloth exhibit here. I'm pretty sure they don't have that one at Gatlinburg. They got helicopters flying around here all the time. Oh wow, we got fish down here.
How y'all doing?
Those are catfish.
Feed me.
Man, look at all these catfish. Y'all look good on a plate. Why? Well, we decided not to do Ripley's Aquarium, but I am so glad we didn't because they just had 3 tour buses come in, so I'm glad we passed. I think we're going to do the Ferris wheel at the other Ferris wheel, I think. That's what we're planning on doing. You having fun, baby? Even though we're just now getting started. This is probably the most y'all gonna do today anyway, because y'all gonna just kind of chill the rest of the week.
Yeah, I think so.
Yep. Catfish looks like every time they talk, they look like they're mad like,
Yum, yum, yum. Eating water, I see.
Yeah, eating water. I wonder if some of them needs diet water. Ask Terry about diet water. Oh, look at the ducks. Over there. We're back home. Well, I was telling them on YouTube that we need to go to Critterville one day and show them all the ducks. We got our pictures done. I like that one's my favorite. That camera thing was a little bit funny.
It's a little different. Like, you have to be...
Like, yeah, automatically.
Look at the ducks.
Do not worry. And
Don't
don't worry. I got some pretty neat shirts. Catch up with Jesus. Read the people. That one up there said, "Fed up, give God control. He delivers." He delivers. I just saw that in little words. Relish, sweet Jesus. Let's exalt His name together. That's just amazing. That's revelation. That's revelation.
You know something we didn't do last night?
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm off centers. You ain't going
Probably not.
You'll get sick out in the sun.
He's on vacation.
Hey,
You'll be all right.
Don't give that a pop up. I'm pretty sure that airplane is U.S. Air Force One. It has to be. It looked like the airplane of the President of the United States. I'm wondering if I was correct. Alrighty, we are heading to the beach. Praise God. You ready?
Yes, I'm all
I'm going to knock her into the water.
I'll knock you into a bush.
Mike.
There's one coming up.
Oh, don't you dare. I should get on this side. Bush. But we're heading to the ocean. Just right out there. Gonna enjoy some fun in the sun. And then just kind of take it. Hairnet.
Yep.
But we're gonna take it easy here. Across the road. Thank you. Driver. And let's just have some fun. And then we're going down there later on this evening. But she's gonna scream on the ride. And I'm gonna be laughing hard talking about the weather. We're gonna be going down there and be like, man, I tell you, this is such a beautiful day. It's been so awesome. And she's gonna be like, ah!
That's usually how it goes.
You should have seen this a wild eagle. We're planning on going down there sometime this year. We've been talking about it. So keep on the lookout for that video in the future. But we'll see y'all at the ocean. Hopefully we'll be able to record. They got a lot of music blasting. So I hope I don't get copyrighted. So we'll see y'all at the ocean. Alrighty, well, after what's about 2 hours, maybe.
What time is it?
It's 2:50 something, I believe, or 2:40 something. What?
Yeah, it was about 2 hours.
Yeah. 2:59. So right at 3 o'clock. Exact. You having fun? I think you got a little bit wet.
I think I got soaked and then I had salt thrown everywhere.
Jesus says salt is good.
That's why I made it with them. That's why I put it in the ocean. And I got knocked down.
You got knocked down a couple times,
Yeah.
but you're really good at the ocean compared to me. I lose my balance so easy, so easy.
It's really easy to do, especially when the waves are really hitting.
Yeah,
It wasn't
it hit
too
you a
bad
few
today.
times. Yeah, it knocked me over a few times. I went under a couple times. But it was fun, though. It was fun. It was very fun. It was very crowded, too. Woo! But it's the weekend, and they got something going on down the street.
It was funny when big old waves would be coming, the kids would go, "Oh no!" They get swipe on.
Yeah. I had seashells in my pants. Like, I got out of the water, and I noticed there was a big lump on my pants, like down near my pants. I thought it was sand. And I started shaking my pant legs, and there were shells coming out of my pants.
Yeah, there was a bunch of shells.
I was grossed out. We're going to get cleaned up, and then we're going to go to Family Kingdom.
I think so, yeah.
We're going to go to Family Kingdom, ride some rides, and then we're going to go to a nice restaurant, romantic restaurant. And then I think we're going to take a stroll on the beach one last time, at least for us, and enjoy it. And do some seashell collecting. We'll see what we got tomorrow. And then,
Hopefully, tomorrow we can walk the beach early in the morning or something.
Yeah.
And then
we'll probably be heading out somewhere between 11 and 12. Because we got a 6-hour drive ahead of us. And then we got to be back in time for church. We're going to be here for just a little bit longer. But definitely will miss her. But before you know it, she'll be back home. And we'll be back together. Yeah. No, it won't be the same. No, it won't. We'll definitely be FaceTiming. Texting. Communication. And then she'll get a cappuccino.
I missed my coffee this morning.
Yeah, she needs a cup of coffee.
I got a headache afterwards. I must be addicted to it.
Wow.
That's not good.
Somebody start interceding for her.
I'm already addicted to coffee.
She's addicted to the coffee. Oh my goodness. Tell Melissa they went to do their own thing, so we'll catch up with them in a little bit. And but we're gonna both get cleaned up here. I gotta get a shower. She's gotta get a shower.
I don't know if I'll get a shower yet or if I'll wait.
I wouldn't care to not get a shower, but these shells they gotta be up my leg.
Towel.
Yeah,
Or
probably.
not, yeah.
And then we'll get some fried fish.
Seth,
Yes, sir.
did you keep these two from fighting?
I done my best, but
It didn't work out, did it?
no, it overexceeded me.
Yep, I know what you mean, man. Hey, if they get on the boat and start acting like that tomorrow, they're gonna phone both off.
Yeah, that'll be all right.
Two, everybody's up there.
Alrighty, everybody. Well, we have made it to Family Kingdom. This is what we decided to do this evening. Looks like there's she's getting ready to send one to splash, and there goes the eagle ride.
We gotta watch that. We'll always go down.
Goodbye. God bless y'all. We love you. Don't know who you are, but we love you. All right. You excited?
Yeah.
You ready? Funnel cake, elephant ears. What in tarnation? There's the coaster going up there. We got our wristbands. All right. Howard. All right. Alrighty, so we're heading in. I don't know which ride we're going to do first. What do you think we're going to do first?
Maybe you want to leave first?
I don't know. I know he's going to the restroom at the moment. It looks like that ride is down. But we're going to check it out here. Try to see if we can get some recording. I'm not sure. They got music blasting, so we're going to try to be careful with copyright. But we will get as much as recording as we possibly can. Let's go have some fun. What do you say, baby? All right.
Was it cool?
Very good, very good. Dollywood's a lot better, but that was very good.
What'd you think?
Yeah. Well, we just got our family kingdom, babe. What'd you think about it?
Oh, I always love it.
Oh, it was fun, wasn't it? We got Terry. He's smiling.
I don't know what happened. I missed the whole shenanigans.
Hey!
Uh-oh.
Let's ask go by the motel over there. We're going to call it Blues Brothers.
Oh my god.
I was thinking about green, but blues be all right.
The name of it's blue already.
Yeah. Alrighty, folks. Got carried a little bit away from driving. We had to drive a little bit, but we came to another Chinese buffet. But I do have to say this one is better than the one we went to yesterday. So she looks like she got some shrimp, green beans. What's that, babe?
It's cheese baked potatoes.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Okay, I didn't see that. Mom's chewing away over there. Her and I, we did the hibachi. So I got like grilled chicken, steak, shrimp, mushrooms, yum yum sauce. And then we got 3 slices of women's. And then this is baked fish, mushroom, street sour chicken, and french fries. The french fries are actually really good. Then we got Cokes. Everybody's enjoying their food.
Can I get a piece of shrimp?
You can get a piece of shrimp. Tell us about the piece of shrimp. MJG, seal of approval. And once more, we're back out here at the ocean at North Myrtle. Of course, y'all can't see anything because it's pure dark, but you can sure hear it. It's a beautiful night. It's a little bit more warmer tonight than it was last night, but you still got that chill though. But it was a little bit chillier last night. I hope y'all can see me just a little bit. There's no light out here they actually have on the balcony. There ain't nothing. And I don't really have a light near me. But we just got back to our hotel. It's past, it's 11:11 right now. And so we're getting ready to go to bed for the night. And then we're gonna wake up early in the morning, take a stroll here at North Myrtle Beach. We have not actually been out here on North Myrtle Beach yet, but we're going to check it out early in the morning. Then we're going to check out, head back to Myrtle Beach and see Madison and them for a couple hours. She really wants to go out for a walk on the beach with me before we have to leave tomorrow morning. So we're going to do our best to make that happen. And then after that, I think somewhere between 11 and 12, we are going to go ahead and start driving back home to Southwest Virginia. And then we'll be back in time for church on Sunday, and then have the week ahead of us. And then Madison and them's just gonna be here. They're gonna stay over a few more days, and then they'll be back home. So I'm sure gonna miss her. But I know she's gonna have a blast with her family, have some great family time, which is very needful. And so I'm gonna try to keep myself occupied while she's still here. And it's gonna be great. I'm looking forward to this week. It's gonna be a great week. And the weeks to come, we got exciting things coming up that Madison and I already has on the calendar. And so that means videos that we're going to try to do for y'all, because y'all really enjoy these videos. And that's the main reason why we do them, is that y'all love them and they bless you. And you know, it blesses us to know that it blesses y'all. And so, but from here at North Myrtle Beach on Friday night, June the 9th, we say goodnight, and we'll see y'all in the morning. God bless y'all. In Jesus' name, love y'all. Appreciate you.